Welcome to the video on bonus page graphics. It's time to separate yourself from the pack with your graphics. Now, bonus page graphics can make or break your affiliate bonus offer. Having good high quality graphics for anything that you do online for your business is crucial, and having graphics for your bonus offer is no different. It sets the stage on how your offer will be perceived by your audience. In order for marketers to enhance the communication with others and to represent ideas in an effective and beautiful way when promoting products, graphic design is utilized to improve the page aesthetics. Graphics represent the business image in general. It is a strong and powerful tool to promote a strong and quality brand. In fact, it's one of the easiest ways to establish engagement and sense of communication between the product promotion and the consumers. Therefore, it serves as a creative, innovative, and highly recommended component to your business and marketing goals. The graphics are designed to correlate with the product. This is a very relevant factor in studying how consumers decide in purchasing a product. The appearance of a product is attributed to how it is being designed, and it also reflects how the consumer thinks of the product. Examining how graphic design and other visual tools work would give us a way of understanding how consumers perceive the physical appearance of the product. The consumer's perception on the physical features affects how they distinguish the appearance of a quality of a product. It is very important to know that graphics play an integral role in the decision-making process. All forms to represent the brand should be visually similar to establish trust and confidence to make sure that the brand is recognizable. A much needed consistency in your brand can be provided by quality made graphics. By creating graphics that look like the product you are promoting and creating titles for your bonuses that relate and are similar to the main product gives the consumer confidence that these bonuses are not just things, but they are actually connected to the product to help them. Now, theming your graphics. One important reason to setting a theme is to unify a set of design elements and color system for your page. This is to give your page an appealing and consistent appearance. Applying a certain theme is also the quickest way to put up interest to your page and make it more professional to see. A theme affects various aspects comprising the page's appearance. First, a theme uses a color scheme or palette to set the color of body text, headings, hyperlinks, page banner text, link bar labels, table borders, and so on, even the page background. You can use a normal or even a vivid color set. A theme also uses graphics for some of the components of the page, such as the background picture, bullet points, navigation buttons, and so on. The active graphic set contains animated page components like the hover buttons instead of plain buttons on a navigation bar. A theme uses its own fonts for the headings and body text as well. Now let's talk about images for every bonus that you have on your page. Images are so powerful that they can do a lot of functions. Images can persuade, motivate, and convey a message and other incredible things. When images are used properly, they can actually help you to earn sales. Selling a product with a complementing picture is already part of a marketing strategy. Remember how some pictures of foods added to a restaurant menu can make you feel like buying that food. This simple strategy can actually raise sales of a product by as much as 30%. When it comes to selling your bonus offer, images are also applicable. Whether you want to show your product or how great your bonus is on the bonus page, consumers want to examine an image in order to visualize the product. If it makes a good impression to the shopper, more likely you can make more sales. People depend on images to relay information, get more ideas, and educate themselves on things of their interest. Same is true when using images in your business. Images help people to have an encounter with your product or service rather than just reading written content for information. However, we don't just add any kind of image to our product. We have to use high quality images, photos, or illustrations that uplift and enhance the product, or that would surely make people excited and motivated to learn more. Furthermore, we don't just use images to encourage people or to get good impressions, but also to build a sense of credibility and to connect with our prospects and customers effectively. Potential buyers should see clearly the details and great features of a product you're promoting to make them feel more secured that you sell exactly what you promised. In addition, when you use high quality images that demonstrate the product or service and the company values, you will also build a good and trusted brand. By using images to your product or bonus, you can make your message more interesting, especially when people are more attentive to visual than text. In some cases, you need a visual to convince the prospects to buy, or you need both. Meanwhile, some people like to scan ads or website photos and illustrations in order to quickly check whether they want an offer or not. Remember, the images and graphics you use send a message to your customer. It will tell them how much you support and believe in a product. Take the time to get this part right. Would you buy something from a poorly designed page? Now I'm going to leave you with a final quote. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. I'll see you in the next video.